I'll guide you through how to add a name to the iPhone lock screen without needing to download a bunch of complicated apps. If you're looking to personalize your phone, or you want to make your device easy to identify, and so you want to put your name on your iPhone's lock screen, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The first method is by using the built-in focus feature. This feature helps you to minimize distractions by silencing notifications and alerts, and it also allows for lock screen customization. To begin, go to Settings and tap on Focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new focus mode. Select Custom and enter your name or a short phrase, choose an icon and color, then tap Next. Follow the prompts to customize your new focus mode. You don't have to change any settings if you don't want to. Just tap Done. Now, on your lock screen, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Press and hold the Focus button, which is the half moon icon in the Control Center. Select the custom focus with your name that you just created to activate it. Your name will now appear at the bottom of your lock screen. The second method is by using a widget app. This method gives you much more control and flexibility over the font, style, and placement of your name. Here's how. Download a free app like Lock Notes or any text widgets from the App Store. Open the app and create a new note or widget with your name. You can even use a font generator website to copy and paste a custom font. Press and hold your lock screen until the Customize button appears. Tap Customize, then tap on the widget section below the time. Find and add the widget from the app you downloaded. Your name will appear in the widget. By this, you have successfully added your name to your iPhone lock screen. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.